Before the sunrise glow, feel the rhythm in me soul flow. Morning breeze, whisper truth, Jah voice guide me youth. Earth still turning, still alive. So me rise, me strive. Me walk through the street with calm in me chest. World full of pressure but me still blessed. Babylon talk loud, but me not hear. Me lacking faith, me vision clear. Them try to break me spirit down, but me roots run deep, me na solid ground. Me heart beat steady like bassline slow. Old school rhythm, let it flow. Me see the youth, them searching for light. In a dark time, still ready for fight. Me tell them truth, nah come overnight, but patience bring victory inside. Me nah chase gold, me chase peace. From mental slavery, me seek release. Every scar teach lessons strong. Life a rhythm, sing along. Fire in the heart, blazing bright. Guide me through the darkest night. Fire in the heart, pure and true. Jah love live in me and you. Me sit on that tree where elders speak. Words them strong, wisdom deep. Them tell me son, hold your ground. Don't let the world turn you around. Me carry message, not for fame, or for uplift the people name. Me chant for those who lost them way, bring them back to brighter day. Me see the struggle every place. Tears still fall toward human face, but hope alive in simple things. In morning sun and birds that sing. Me nah give up, me nah retreat, even when the road feel incomplete. Faith and love, me only shield. Truth me weapon, heart me feel. When the night feel cold and long, we sing redemption song. Jah light shine through the storm. Keep me spirit warm. Every step me take with care, knowing Jah always there. Fire in the heart, blazing bright. Chase away the darkest night. Fire in the heart, strong and true. Jah light living through me and you. Fire in the heart, never die. Lift the soul, make it fly. Fire in the heart, till the end. Jah love with the fed. So when the road get rough and long, remember this song. Fire in the heart, remain true joy and pain. Jah guide his steps each day, forever I stay. Hear that sound from far away. Heartbeat calling night and day. Not just rhythm, not just tone. It's speaking bold, it's speaking bold. Before word, before pen, drums speak truth to women and men. It carry message, carry pain, carry hope through sun and rain. When mouth can't say what heart talking loud through skin and what they speak aloud. Every beat a memory, every pause a mystery. Drum don't lie, drum don't fake, it only tell what heart can take. Hear the drum, feel the call, ancient voice inside us all. Hear the drum, loud and free, speak the truth of history. In the night when silence falls, drums still speak beyond the wall. Call the lost back home again, heal the soul, remove the chain. No language barrier, no divide, drum talk straight to what's inside. When the crowd begin to move, it's not dance, it's something true. Body answer, spirit know where the rhythm want to go. From melody fire to city street, drums still carry heartbeat. If you ever feel alone, listen close, you're not on your own. That rhythm knocking in your chest, these ancient truths laid to rest. Hear the drum, feel the call, ancient voice inside us all. Hear the drum, loud and free, speak the truth of history. So when silence feel too loud, remember drums still beating proud. Long as heart and earth still hum, we are never really numb. Night falls slow on the land, stars write stories in sand. While words sleep deep and still, roots awake beyond will. Roots don't sleep, then listen deep. While mind drift far in dreamland sleep, they feel each footstep lie and truth. They know what time can smooth. They need concrete, they need stone. Roots still whisper you're not alone. They feel them hum under my feet. Low vibration, slow and sweet. Even when the world look numb, roots still hum, still hum. No spotlight, no applause, just natural, ancient laws. Roots never sleep, never die. They watch us from beneath the sky. Roots never sleep, never lie. They hold the reason why. When system fall and crown break down, roots still standing silent ground. No headline need, no claim to fame, still carry life the same. They remember every scar, every war, every star. So me tread soft, walk aware. Every step is sacred prayer. Me speak truth, me walk clean, cause roots see everything. When noise get loud and mind feel weak, of truth. Roots remember ancient tune. Follow them and you will see. Na 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 na. Me step on the earth with respect and pride. Feel the heartbeat deep inside. Every grain of sun, know me name. Every flame, remember the flame. Me breathe slow, me mind align. Earth and spirit intertwine. Me see the city grow cold and grey. Still replace where trees once stay. But me still hear the rhythm below. Roots still pulse, roots still grow. Babylon talk loud but hollow. Truth whisper soft but follow. Me walk barefoot on sacred ground. Hear ancient drums in the soul. Them sell illusion wrapped in gold, but wisdom can't be bought or sold. Me learn from soil, rain and sun. Life cycle never done. Every seed me plant with care. Carry prayer in a year. From dirt to fruit, from pain to grace. Creation move at its own pace. Fire in the soil, burn bright and slow. Roots run deep, let wisdom grow. Fire in the soil, pure and strong. Ancient truth we walk upon. We see the youth, them searching light. Lasting screen glow every night. They say, look down, not just enough up. Earth still teach us how to love. No rush, no race, no fear. Time move different over here. Listen close, the land still speak to those who humble, not the weak. Me chant for balance, not control. For heal mind and peaceful soul. When storms come, me stand firm. Like roots that twist and never burn. Fire warm, not destroy. Use with heart, it bring joy. Ancient code inside we live. So much still left to live. Fire below, fire within. Not destruction, discipline. When you walk with reverence and care, hurt yourself answer prayer. Fire in the soil, burn bright and slow. Roots run deep, let wisdom grow. Fire in the soil, pure and strong. Ancient truth we walk upon. So plant good seed wherever you go. Let love be all you show. When fire meets soil, life unfolds. Story ancient, never old.
through shadows, warm the night. Soft light dance upon every stone. Guide the weary safely home. Me walk the lane where silence sing. Hear the flutter of night bird wing. Lantern flame reflect the soul. Make the broken spirit whole. Me feel the peace soak in me skin. Wash away where pain have been. Quiet moments deep and slow. Teach me truth me need to know. Me pass the harbor by the sea. Lantern sway so gracefully. Fishermen cast line with ease. Hum a song upon the breeze. Life feels simple, life feel real. Moments like these help heart heal. Lantern light reveal the way. Keep me strong through every day. Lanterns are midnight glow so warm. Guide the soul through every star. Shine the path where hope still grow. Lift the heart with gentle flow. Lanterns bright in night so deep. Guard the dream while angels sleep. Glow of healing pure and true. Light the darkness all night through. Me sit beside the river bend. Feel the night become me friend. Water shimmer in the light. Turn the shadows soft and bright. Me breathe slow and understand. Peace reside in Jah own plan. Every flicker, every gleam. Show me life not just a dream. Me see the town in quiet rest. For families safe, their hearts feel blessed. Lanterns hang upon every gate. Calm the mind, remove the weight. Light connect both old and young. Glow ignite each spoken tongue. Night become a sacred space, full of tender holy grace. Hold the lantern, hold it near. Let it chase away your fear. Walk the path with steady glow. Move with strength where shadows go. Lanterns are midnight glow so warm. Guide the soul through every storm. Shine the path where hope still grow. Lift the heart with gentle flow. Lanterns bright in night so deep. Guard the dream while angels sleep. Glow of healing pure and true. Light the darkness all night through. When the dawn begin to rise, lantern fade from tired eyes, but the peace it brings shall stay. Guide you through another day.
Cool breeze blow through the night. Bring calm, bring gentle light. Every sound talk history. Nature tell its mystery. Me stand pon the hill and listen keen. Hear voices hidden but ever clean. Wine tell tales from ancient times. Carried through forgotten rhymes. It speak of unity, one strong. Of hearts that knew right from wrong. Me close me eyes, feel the flow. Wisdom drift wherever it go. Me walk the coast where
and speak with rhythm and pride. It tell of journeys brave and wild, of Mother Earth so soft and mild. Me hear the wind repeat the song. Keep faith strong, stay brave, belong. Every whisper teach me more. Open me heart, open me door. When the wind start whisper low, let the ancient knowledge flow. Hear the truth inside the tone. Feel the message in your bone. Wind a guide, wind a friend. Show the way until the end. Listen close, let spirit rise. Hear the world with open eyes. Me journey deep through forest green. Watch how life move calm and serene. Wine shake leaves and dance so sweet. Nature drum keep perfect beat. It tell me all your strength and stand. God is so like sacred land. Me breathe the healing deep and slow. Let the energy freely grow. Me cross the plains where dust fly high. Wine drop patterns in the sky. It call me name in gentle tone. Make me feel me never alone. Every place me walk or roam. Wine remind me about me home. Lift me thoughts, me worries ease. Bring me heart eternal peace. Close your eyes and let it speak. Its wisdom strong, its voice unique. Let the breeze erase the pain. Bring sunshine after rain. When the wind start whisper low, let the ancient knowledge flow. Hear the truth inside the tone. Feel the message in your bone. Wind a guide, wind a friend. Show the way until the end. Listen close, let spirit rise. Hear the world with open eyes. So when wind pass through your gate, know it carries something great. Let it lead you gently on till new dawn bring brighter sun. Me climb a path with steady stride. Cool wine dance along me side. Mountain rise like ancient king. All the secrets nature bring. Me feel the earth beneath me soul. Pull me deeper toward me goal. A shepherd a rustic hymn. Echo strong across the rim. He said this mountain shape me mind. Teach me patience, keep me kind. Me take his words and hold them tight. Carry them into the light. A pot a rest beside a spring. Crafting bowls with gentle swing. She tell me balance, craft the way. Give as much as you display. Me watch her shape the spinning clay. Calm but powerful in every sway. Her hands tell truth in silent speech. Share a lesson, action teach. Which flame of the mountain heart burn bright. Warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep. Give me strength, me need to keep. Mountain flame of ancient lore. Light me steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace. Make me heavy, worries cease. Me reach a clearing far and wide, where elders sit side by side. Them reason about the days gone by. Share the wisdom, never die. Me sit and listen every part. Feel the fire, warm me heart. Them them stories roll like timeless drums, show where every blessing comes. The sunset blaze upon the peak, paint a view beyond unique. Villagers climb up the trail, together strong, together heal. Them chant a chorus rich and pure, carry unity secure. Mountain glow in evening hue, hold a meaning deep and true. Rise like fire through the cold, hold your courage, brave and bold. Every ember shape your day, burn the darkness far away. Wheat, flame of the mountain, heart burn bright, warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep, give me strength me need to keep. Mountain flame of ancient lore, light me steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace, make me heavy worries cease. So when life feel faint or hard, call the mountain as your guard. Flame will rise and light your view, show a path both strong and true.
Ay, 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 ganja inna the jungle, yeah, man. Me hear the drum from far away, call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high, Jah music never die. Me feel the bass in on me chest, Jah give me rest. Every strike a truth revealed, Rasta strength unsealed. Me see the youth them start fi dance, in a trance of chance. Every heart they join the song, unity abound. Me remember the elder song, say keep the fire strong. Me no bow to vanity, only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul, make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak, Jah voice them see. Heartbeat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground, Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow, hear the ancient echo. Each beat a story told of courage bold. Me close my eyes, me feel Jah grace, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real, Jah power me feel. The crowd a sing, the night ignite, pure delight. Every heart align, peace define. Drum beat carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, heartbeat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Root vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One song, one love, one ground, Jah rhythm all around. When silence fall again, Me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fear, but still it Jah love always comes. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal Jah shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt his name. No more sorrow, no more chain. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high. See deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land. Sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake. Sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow fade away. Sky announce the brighter day. Birds of Zion soaring free. Sky of love for you and me. Every color, bold and wide. Sky of truth, them never hide. Trumpet sound, a mighty tone. Sky remind we not alone. Lift your eye, behold the sign. Sky of Zion, always shine. Storm may come with thunder loud. Still the sky, protect the crowd. Lightning strike the wicked down. Sky uplift Jah, holy crown. Rain may fall, yet seed will grow. Sky provide and overflow. Every season, time and tide. Sky of freedom, never hide. At the sunset, gold and red. Sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep. Sky of Zion, never sleep. Generations one by one. Sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear. Sky of freedom, always near. Shine, shine, sky so high. Lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true. Sky of Zion, guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright. Shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall. Sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free. Sky of Zion, cover me. Aye, aye. Shia reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Shia reggae, yeah, man. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Hey. Night unfold with gentle grace. Lanterns glow in every place. Me breathe a calm so full and deep. Feel me worries fall asleep. Me walk through streets lit soft and red. Quiet thoughts inside me head. Shopkeepers hum tunes low and warm. Peace around like healing storm. Me stop fi sip a tea so sweet. Warmth run gentle through me feet. The lantern sway above me slow. Tell me take your time and grow. An elder carve a piece of wood. Shapes of meaning understood. He tell me patience
generations carve the truth, both for old and both for youth. Me watch his hands create a face, filled with wisdom, filled with grace. He smile and pass me carved design, say carry this and you'll align. Well, song of the quiet lanterns bright, guide me through this softest night. Glow upon the weary soul, help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern song so calm and pure, help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long, wrap me spirit in your song. Children paint with laughing tone, color bursts like seeds once sown. The walls tell stories bold and free, murals of the community. We touch the colors drying fresh, feel the joy through every mesh. Each stroke shine like morning spark, bright against the creeping dark. Midnight breeze comes soft and slow, let the lantern shadows flow. People gather side by side, sharing tales with modest pride. Me join and feel this circle's peace, all me tension find release. Night become a world of art, healing deep within me heart. Blow your truth in gentle tone, light the places left unknown. Every lantern softly say, you are guided on your way. Song of the quiet lanterns bright, guide me through this softest night. Glow upon the weary soul, help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern song so calm and pure, help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long, wrap me spirit in your song. So when darkness cloud your eye, let a quiet lantern try, lead you through the evening's grace, till tomorrow show its face. Whoa yeah, whoa yeah.
Zion Reggae, yo man. Ay 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 ay, ay 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 ay, ay 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 ay.
Before the dawn me hear a sound, rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under Jah sky. Every thump a heartbeat true, ancient calling too. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still attack, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth, light for the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pon sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, feed Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, tell Jah way, night and day. Voice of the drum call we home, beat for the last and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum mighty strong, right, erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide we true. Me feel the spirit
soul. Drum, restore control. It chant for justice, chant for right. Turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me just still near. Me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride. Truth inside. Me know the drum come from the earth. Sound of rebirth. It speak a language words can't tell. Sacred as a bell. From the roots to the crown of man, it reveals Jah plan. Every beat a living prayer in the air. When the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight. Only light. Truth. Voice of the drum call we own. Beat for the last and alone. Carry the word, carry the flame. All in Jah name. Voice of the drum mighty strong. Right, erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we true. Voice of the drum, eternal song. Keep the people strong. Let the world remember still. Jah only will. Me rest me hand pan skin and shell. Hear the story well. Voice of the drum never done. Beat till kingdom come. Ay, 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 ay.
Nah, 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 Jah bless the world, yeah, man. Me open me eye on golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft. Lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight, but love bring light. Yeah, me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke, but the sun still rise again. Wash away the stain. Me keep me heart clean, me mind pure. Faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. Yeah, the path rough but still me trod. Guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Yeah, even when the world feel cold, me soul stable. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah light in everyone. Yeah, shine upon the righteous way. Guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Yeah, lift my soul, me heart, me hand. Heal the land. Me see the youth, them searching wide. Truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan. Them ready to stand. Yeah, me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun we shine.
upon the mountain high, lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away, light up the day. Yeah, me feel Jah glory deep within, burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake, a new dawn fi make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. Yeah, when Babylon try mash me faith, me rise, me create. Yeah, the spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah light in everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Yeah, spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Yeah, spirit of the sun, forever rise, truth reflecting me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay, light show the way. Me rest my mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till me breath, me final tune. Me know me never alone. Spirit of the sun live on, even when me gone.
Nah Nah Rastaman, grind the ganja, yeah man. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating Babylon falling apart. Rastafarian burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way, living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit floats, guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rastafarian burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way, living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we hold firm. Like the lion we raw with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah, now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold.
Nah, 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 nah. deep into a valley bathed in morning gold. Quiet stories waiting to unfold. Breeze low above the land, carry blessings soft and grand. Me walk a trail of ancient stone, feel the heartbeat of the zone. Birds them circle high and free, teaching lessons silently. A farmer raises hand with smile, say stay true through every mile. Me nod and let his wisdom stay, fuel me spirit through the day. Beside a river calm and wide, fisherman cast line with pride. He tell me patience rule the tide, don't let hurry be your guide. Me watch the water ripple bright, reflecting day, rejecting night. Me feel a shift inside me chest, like troubled thoughts find place to rest. Yes, echoes of the Golden Valley call, lift me spirit when me fall, guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light. Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long. Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me in a throne. Me pass a child who sketch the scene, shades of amber, blue and green. She said every color hold a dream, more than what it first may seem. Her innocence inspire me mind, push me heart to stay aligned. Me breathe in deep, the peaceful space, feel Jah presence in the place. When sunset lay a crimson flare, voices gather everywhere. Villagers share tunes and tales, chant of hopeful winding trails. The harmony lift up the air, pull me soul from every care. Me give thanks for all me view, bless the valley deep and true. Hold the moment soft yet bright, keep them shining through the night. Every echo shape your way, guide your heart from day to day. Where echoes of the Golden Valley call, lift me spirit when me fall, guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light. Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long. Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me in a throne. So when doubt cloud up your mind, return where echoes stay refined. Golden Valley ever near, turn your sorrow into cheer. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Me stand beside the restless tide, feel the ocean open wide. Waves them chant a timeless beat, wash me out and cool the heat. Me watch the water rise and fall, hear a distant seabird call. A fisherman may net with care, salt breeze twist within his hair. He tell me life flow like the sea, storms will come but so will peace. Me listen close to every line, each word sailing to me mind. A sculptor carve a stone near shore, shape the ocean at its core. He say me call me see, strength and softness living with. Me study how his carving shine, smooth as rhythm, sharp as spine. See from kiss the rugged edge, make the moment feel like pledge. Yeah, dance of the ocean, spirit strong. my soul through crest and truth. Teach me strength when life get rough. Ocean spirit bold and true. Carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide. Hold me steady by your side. Children run along the sand. Shells them jingling in hand. Them build a castle high and grand. Wave come crash but still them stand. The laughter echo loud and bright. Charge the water with delight. Me smile as hope refill the air. Simple joy beyond compare. Evening color wash the sea. Purple gold in harmony. Boats return with weary crew. Grateful for the work them do. Them share small stories, humble real. Every line me truly feel. Ocean hum a sacred tune. Bless the rising crescent moon. Flow with courage, flow with grace. Let the tide define your pace. Every crest and every dip. Guide your heart through every trip. Oh, dance of the ocean, spirit strong. Sing a deep, eternal song. Lift my soul through crest and trough. Teach me strength when life get rough. Ocean spirit bold and true. Carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide. Hold me steady by your side. So when trouble cloud your day, let the ocean show your way. Spirit dance across the foam. Lead your weary heart back home. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Aye aye. Aye aye. Yeah yeah yeah. Ganja, meditate, yeah man. The morning sun ablaze me skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heart beat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant feel the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry but just still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me hand. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea. The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace. Till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, I call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear. Forever near. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One north, one life, one way. Love never eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright, guided by Jah light.
Fire still, follow Jah will. In a darkness, me got the light. Truth shine bright. Me watch the stars, me hear Jah voice. Me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift. From above them chase power, chase gold. Them spirit cold, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny. Me got the spark in a me chest. Jah manifest. Me see them mark the righteous way, but still me pray. Me carry fire through the storm. Jah keep me warm. No shadow deep enough to hide. Truth inside. Me light me chalice, chant me psalm. Heart calm. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside. Till the tide. Me walk through the desert bare. Still Jah dear. Me see the moon reflect the truth. Guide the youth. Them call me fool, them call me mad, but me still glad. Cause me know Jah never sleep. Promise keep. Me see the wicked tremble slow. Them power go. Me flame expose the wrong them do. Light shine through. Me got the spark for every soul. Make them whole. Me live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame. No wind can blow the light away. It dead to stay. Just spirit fuel the fire strong. Burn all wrong. Me hold the lamp in every fight. Bring the light. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Shine through endless night. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside. Till the tide. Na na na. Yeah. Oh yeah. Na na na. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Na na na. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Light up the heart of man. Keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Oh, oh. Na 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 na. Nightfall calm, but drums still beat. Rhythm rise from every street. Heart sync up with every tone. Peace step forward, pain step gone. Me see the elders gather round. Hands create that ancient sound. Drum skin vibrate through the air. Lift the spirit everywhere. People sway like ocean tide. Rise of the healing rhythm strong, carry the people all along. Beats of hope, beats of life, wash away distress and strife. Let the drum unlock the heart, bring the world a brand new start. Healing rhythm, pure and free, lift the global energy. Children dance with glowing eyes, feel the spirit start to rise. Elders smile and sway in time, each heartbeat create a rhyme. Every drum talk truth and love, blessing shower from above. Music mend what pain divide, bring all nations side by side. Me see the night turn warm and bright, as rhythm chase away the night. People join from every place, different voice but same embrace. Together strong, together high, lift the vibe toward the sky. Healing spread through every land, touch each soul with gentle hand. Close your eyes, release the past, let the rhythm hold you fast. Let it guide you through the storm, till your heart feels safe and warm. Rise of the